Hey guys, a quick video to show you the new Gina K Wreath Builder mini stamp kit. It comes with a glue runner, dies, a beautiful stamp set, the stencils, and sample paper. So let me show you how this works. You need a stamp positioning tool to make this work. And I've got one started here where I've put the stencil. It comes with two stencils. One is a little bit bigger than the other one. I'm using the smaller one right now. And the idea is that you take the stamps and you're positioning it on your stamp tool, and then you move your piece of paper to keep stamping and making a wreath shape. So I'll stamp this one. See, it's going to go right here. I'll just quickly show you the idea. So you're inking up, you're using your stamp positioner tool to put it on there, and then you're turning your piece of paper. You can have your magnet hold it down or not. It seems to stay in place with the shape of the template. The stamp set's just beautiful. It's got little stamps, little flowers, leaves, and beautiful sentiments on it. I tried to make the stamp set myself, or not the stamp set, but the stencil. I thought I could make it out of a piece of paper, but when I saw the stamp set that came with it, it's just such a good stamp set because it has all the right sized shapes and flowers for it. So keep that in mind. You do want to use little shapes to make your wreath. And it's got leaves. We use this one here. Just a beautiful set, but you get the idea. It's going to make this nice symmetrical wreath by stamping these shapes in a circle. So you get the idea. Where'd my sample card go that I made? Here's an example of a card that I made earlier. So this was just using a small flower image and a sentiment in the middle, and then I layered and popped it up on top of a card. So I just love all the options that you can do with it. The sentiments are really beautiful in it. It's got birthday, thank you, you make everything better, life is better because of you. So I just think it's a beautiful stamp set. So down below I'll do a link to the Gina K website so you can order one for yourself. Thanks guys.